We just restored some antique iron, and the product we used worked like magic. It's called CorroSeal, Rust Converting Metal Primer. This sewing machine base was beautiful but very rusty, so we tested CorroSeal first on an old iron trivet. We also tested out these small wire double-ended brushes, and we thought they worked great for getting into crevices, so we'll post a link to those too. Testing a product like this is crucial because the reviews are mostly good but also mixed. We liked that the CorroSeal was water-based and not awful smelling because we worked indoors on a snowy day. The directions on the bottle were not as clear as we would have liked, but basically you paint a liberal coat on the product onto rusty metal and let it work its magic, and then you can repeat it as necessary. Antique iron table legs are usually expensive, but luckily we found this one in our area for just $30, and it was complete with cross pieces too. In this light it looks pretty good, but close up it was rough and rusty. But we believed the CorroSeal would work great on this. And so did those little wire brushes we used to knock off all the rougher top layer of rust, because CorroSeal can't really change the texture of the rust. So you want to make sure that you'll be happy with the texture before using CorroSeal, and make sure there's no lacquer or anything else that will contaminate the product. We gave the table a liberal coat of the solution, and it wasn't long at all before it looked wonderful and rich. Chemistry can really seem like magic, and we were seeing the rust turn into something called magnetite, which was not magnetic, we found, but it did have a rich black hue. After about an hour, we wiped away the excess product, and later we will be waxing this to keep it from rusting again. But you can repeat the CorroSeal treatment before sealing if you need to. So we spent about $25 for the CorroSeal, and we used half a cup or less for the table and the trivet combined. Don't miss the upcoming projects at Love for a Country House. Click on the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.